In this video I am going to tell you how to earn money from home without investment, and without paying anything. And how students or beginners or teenagers can earn money for free with little effort on Google. If you want to make fast money online from internet without a job, then this video is for you all. If you will search on Fiverr remove object from photo, you will see lot of people are doing work and giving their service on this niche. See, lot of people are here for this work. And they are earning. I open this gig. He is saying I will remove items from photo. If you will see at this picture, you will clearly understand about what type of objects I am talking. Throw a look at his packages. In basic package he will edit 5 photos in $5 in 1 day. In standard package, he will edit 10 photos in 2 days, and will charge $10. In premium package, he will do complicated items remove in $50 and 3 days delivery time. In this package he have 3 days time, but he will work on 5 photos just because he mentioned it's complicated items removal job. So Yotsan designed your GI according to your skill. This seller is from Egypt and working since July 2018. Since 5 years he is doing this work. It means on this niche work is available on internet. To do earning by this method I am sharing with you a very easy website, on which you can do this work easily. Come to Google and search Cleanup Pictures. Open this Cleanup Pictures website. Scroll down to see whole overview of this website. Pricing plans are available according to your need. How this website works and how to edit pictures on this website. They have provided all information on this website's main page. Come back above. This is the working area. Click here on drag an image file to which you want to edit. When you will click on this text, it will take you to your computer. Here select a photo to edit. Wait a moment. There are 2 options. Pro version you can choose after choosing any pricing plan. So I will go continue with SD and it's free. Here is a cursor sign and a moving bar. With the help of this bar you can increase or decrease the size of eraser. Move your cursor to that part of picture to which you want to remove. I want this bird to remove. So I will wipe off it smoothly. It will take some time in processing. By moving this button left you can see your photo in its original form. When processing will be done, download button will appear here. In Fiverr you see that person was charging $5 to edit 5 photos. And you see you can do this work in less than 1 minute on 1 photo. It means in 5 minutes you can edit 5 photos. And if you will work 1 hour you can earn $60. Means you can earn $60 in 1 hour. As much time you will give to your work, your earning will become double. After completion download photo by this button. So don't be late and start this work quickly and earn lot of money. Thanks for watching the video.